Introduction to tsunamis. A tsunami is a series of large waves caused by the sudden displacement of a significant amount of water, often due to an earthquake, volcanic eruption, or landslide. The word tsunami comes from the Japanese words tsu, harbor, and nami, wave. Unlike typical ocean waves caused by wind, tsunamis can travel across entire ocean basins and cause catastrophic destruction when they reach coastal areas. Key features of tsunamis. Speed. In open water, tsunami waves travel at speeds of up to 500 to 800 km per hour. Wavelength. The wavelength of a tsunami can exceed 100 km, making them hard to detect in the open ocean. Wave height. In deep water, the wave height is often less than a meter, but as the waves approach the shore, they can increase dramatically. Tsunamis are one of the most dangerous natural disasters, often striking with little to no warning and causing massive loss of life and property. Causes of tsunamis. 1. Underwater earthquakes. Most tsunamis are caused by underwater earthquakes, where tectonic plates along faults suddenly shift. This displacement pushes the overlying water and creates waves that propagate outward across the ocean. Subduction zones, where one tectonic plate is forced under another, are particularly prone to triggering tsunamis. 2. Volcanic eruptions. Volcanic activity, especially underwater eruptions or the collapse of a volcanic island, can displace a large volume of water. This displacement can lead to tsunami waves. 3. Landslides. Underwater landslides or large amounts of land falling into the ocean can displace enough water to generate a tsunami. These events typically occur after earthquakes but can also happen independently. 4. Meteorite impacts. Though rare, large meteorite impacts in the ocean could theoretically generate tsunamis. The impact would displace a huge volume of water, creating waves. Characteristics of tsunamis. Speed and wavelength. Speed in open water. Tsunami waves can travel at speeds of 500 to 800 km per hour in deep water, faster than commercial jetliners. In the open ocean, these waves have minimal height and are barely noticeable to ships at sea. Wavelength. Tsunamis have long wavelengths, typically more than 100 km, which allows them to cover large distances without losing much energy. Shoaling effect and wave height near shore. As tsunamis approach coastal regions and the ocean becomes shallower, the speed of the waves decreases, but their height increases dramatically due to a phenomenon known as wave shoaling. Waves can grow to 10 meters or more in height as they crash onto shore, and multiple waves can follow, often causing more damage than the first wave. Famous tsunamis in history. 1. The 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami. Date: December 26, 2004. Trigger: a massive undersea earthquake with a magnitude of 9.1 to 9.3 near the coast of Sumatra, Indonesia. Impact: the tsunami affected 14 countries, including Indonesia, Sri Lanka, India, and Thailand. Over 230,000 people lost their lives, and millions were displaced. Legacy: this tsunami prompted significant improvements in tsunami warning systems and international cooperation for disaster relief. 2. The 2011 Tohoku tsunami, Japan. Date: March 11, 2011. Trigger: a 9.0 magnitude earthquake off the coast of Japan, followed by a devastating tsunami. Impact: over 15,000 people died, and the tsunami caused widespread destruction. It also led to the Fukushima nuclear disaster. Response: Japan's advanced warning systems helped mitigate some of the damage, but the disaster underscored the need for global tsunami preparedness. In conclusion, tsunamis are destructive natural disasters caused mainly by underwater earthquakes. They can lead to massive loss of life and property, especially in coastal areas. While they cannot be prevented, early warning systems and proper preparedness can greatly reduce their impact. Awareness and education are key to saving lives.